good morning to all my lovely students. Welcome back in EVS class. Student, in our previous class, I taught you chapter 4, Food for Health. Beta, and we have done in our previous class new words of this chapter. In today's class, we will discuss word meaning and book exercise of this chapter. So, before we start our topic, let's see the quick revision of this chapter. Beta, in this chapter we got the knowledge about the food. Why do we need food? Because food gives us energy to do work, play and do other activities. And food helps us to grow and stay healthy. Beta, we get food from two sources, plants and animals. There are mainly three types of foods: energy giving foods, body building foods and protective foods. What are the energy giving foods? Those foods give us energy to do work and play, like sugar, wheat, rice, butter, etc. Now body building food that build our muscles and bones strong. Okay, those are body building foods like milks, eggs, meat. And third types of protective foods. Those foods protect us from disease are called protective foods like fruits and vegetables. After that, we have discussed what is balanced diet. A diet that contains all the three groups of food in right quantity is called a balanced diet. Student, we must drink plenty of water and take fiber-rich foods because both are helps us to digest our food and undigested waste flush out to our body. Now we have discussed types of food eaters: vegetarians, non-vegetarians, ovo-vegetarians and vegans. So first, vegetarians. What are the vegetarians? Those people eat plant products and milk products are called vegetarians. Now second, non-vegetarians. Those people eat plant products and animal products along with the eggs and meat are called non-vegetarians. Then ovo-vegetarian. What are the ovo-vegetarian students? Those people who eat eggs but don't take dairy products are called ovo-vegetarians. Then vegan. What are the vegans? Those people do not eat any type of animal products. Okay, people do not take any type of animal products are called vegans. Now, what are the spices? Spices means masala. Spices give taste and flavor and color to our food like chili, turmeric, cloves, pepper, chicken, saffron. These all are the example of spices. Now beta, I told you about the meals of the day. Students, we have three types of major meals. First, breakfast, then lunch and third one, dinner. Breakfast. As you know, breakfast is the first meal of the day and we never skip our breakfast. Second meal, lunch. Lunch we take in the afternoon. And third one is dinner. Dinner is the last meal of the day and it should be light. Now we have discussed some golden eating habits, which are we should wash our hands before and after every meal. We should chew our food properly, okay, and always take clean and fresh food. We wash fruits and vegetables before cooking and eating. Or what? We should take plenty of water and we should avoid junk foods. Okay? We should avoid junk foods and we should do not overeat and we should not waste our food. So follow these good eating habits, and by following these good eating habits we stay healthy and fit. Okay, so promise to me You should follow these all good eating habits and stay healthy. Okay students, now come on the today's topic. Let's write the word meaning. So see on the word meaning. Write down word meaning. Now first word is stale food. What is the meaning of stale food बेटा? Not fresh. ठीक है, stale food यानी not fresh, जो ताजा नहीं है, बासा है. ठीक है, STALE, stale, FOOT, food. Stale food means not fresh. NOT, not. FRESH, not fresh. Now second is disease. Disease means illness, बीमारी. DISEASE, DISEASE, disease means illness. ILLNESS, illness. Now third word is energy. Energy means power, ऊर्जा. ENERGY, energy means बेटा power. POWER, power. Now next word is quantity. Quantity means amount, किसी भी चीज की मात्रा. Quantity, QUANTITY, quantity. Quantity means amount. AMOUNT, amount. Now next is fifth, require. REQ, require means बेटा need, यानी जरूरत. So let's revise again. Stale food means not fresh. Disease, illness. Energy, power. Quantity, amount. And require, need. So dear students, write down this word meaning in your notebook and learn this. Now let's discuss book exercise. Okay. Now let's see book exercise. Book exercise. So now first is, it is a spice. Spice, देखो first है A, put a tick or write mark on the correct option. Beta here we have 2 MCQs. Now first, it is a spice. यह एक मसाला है. First cloves, B broccoli and C potato. तो what is spice? Cloves. Cloves को बोलते हैं हिंदी में क्या? लौंग. Okay? Cloves means लौंग. Broccoli एक vegetable है, ठीक है. And third is potato. Potato is also a vegetable. So what is the correct answer? First, A is correct. Cloves. Now second is, it is a energy giving food. First fruits, second pulses and third rice. Beta, A fruits, it is not energy giving food, it is a protective food. Pulses are bodybuilding foods, and rice is a energy giving food. So what's the correct answer? C option is correct, rice. Okay, so take it. Now next is define. What is balanced meal? What is balanced meal? A meal that contains all the 3 groups of food in right quantity is called a balanced meal. Now second है आपका vegetarian. In these words we have to define. तो first था balanced meal, second is vegetarians. तो what are vegetarians? People who eat plant product and milk product are called vegetarians. and third is non-vegetarian. What are the non-vegetarians, friends? Who are the non-vegetarians? People who eat plant products and animal products along with the eggs and meat are called non-vegetarians. Okay. Now third is complete the verb. Better I have here one verb given and we have to complete it. So let's see on the board. देखिए first है kinds of food. Kinds of food. So here are we have three kinds of foods. One has given energy giving food. Okay, it is already given in the book and we have to write two more kinds of food. So what are the two kinds of two kinds of food? First is energy giving food, second bodybuilding food, and third is protective food. So write down body building food, and third kind is protective food. PROTECTIVE, protective food. Okay, so first is energy giving food, second bodybuilding food, and third protective food. And now we have to write down two example of these. So first, now these are the two examples of these. Now the first is given butter. Okay, butter. And second example of energy giving food is sugar, wheat. Okay, so write down here sugar. SUGAR, sugar. Now second bodybuilding food. Now two examples of pulses has given and one. What you write? You can write here milk, eggs. Okay, so meat. So write down milk. Okay, friends. Now third is protective foods. So fruits is given FRUITS, fruits. And second protective foods is vegetables. VEGETABLES, vegetables. Okay. So this is the verb we have completed here. Now let's see kinds of food. Energy giving food, bodybuilding food, protective food. And we have written down here two examples. Butter, sugar are the example of energy giving food. Milk and pulses are the example of bodybuilding food. And fruits and vegetables are the example of protective foods. Okay. So now come on the next page. Now name this is the activity time. A. Name the food times that you usually eat for these meals. Beta, here we have three rows: breakfast, lunch and dinner. And you write here, according to yourself, what you take in breakfast, in lunch and dinner. Like breakfast, if you take milk and bread, milk and biscuits, some are taking omelette, poha, upma. Okay, whatever you take, you can write. Now lunch, in lunch we take chapati, vegetable, raita or curd and salad. Now third one is dinner. In dinner we take chapati and vegetable, sometimes dalia, sometimes khichdi. Okay, so according to yourself, what you take in these three meals, you write in these three rows. Okay, so complete it according to yourself, okay. Now B exercises: tick or write mark the food item that you think are good for you. What's mean? Beta, here are some pictures of food item has given and we have to write tick mark, those are good for our health, means those are the healthy for us. Okay, तो first picture is apple. Apple is good for our health. It is good na? Yes. So first is right. Now second is French fries. French fries is a junk food. It is not good for our health. So second is cross. Now third one is meat. Yes, meat is also good for our health. Because those are non-vegetarian. They take meat, okay, and it is good for our health. So take right mark of this. Now fourth is fruits and vegetables. Yes, we all know fruits and vegetables are very good for our health. So write down right mark of this. Now fifth number, pizza. I know you all like pizza, but it is a junk food and it is not good for your health. Okay, so student, we have to cross it. Okay, now next is chips. Chips, all children like chips. They always want to take the chips, but it is also a junk food and better it is very harmful for us, and you should don't take the chips. Okay, so it is unhealthy food and we have cross it. Now next is banana. Banana is a food, yes, and it is very good. It makes our bones strong. It is a rich of calcium, so it is a good for our health. So take the right mark of it. Now last is meat. Fish. Fish is also good. Those are non-vegetarian, same thing. They take the fish and it is good for our health also. So take the right mark. So this is your exercise. Okay. So my dear students, today we have completed word meaning and book exercise of our chapter 4, Food for Health. You will also do word meaning in your notebook and complete all book exercise in your book. Okay. So hope so you understood today's topic very well. So okay. Bye bye beta. Bye. Thank you so much.